Introducing the horizontal A-frame, a durable and versatile signage solution for events, promotions, and outdoor advertising, perfect for any space or occasion. Your horizontal A-frame kit comes in a convenient carry bag for easy transport and storage. Inside, you'll find end poles with hinges, a center pole, a durable fabric banner, aluminum tubes, bungee cords, and stakes to secure the frame outdoors. Start by extending one end support pole and connecting two tubes to the feet securely. Next, insert the center pole into the connected tubes and secure it by attaching two more tubes into the top brackets. Finally, attach the second end pole to complete the frame structure. Stretch the fabric banner evenly across the frame. Use bungee cords to secure it tightly for a smooth, professional finish. Place the frame directly on concrete or any flat surface. For outdoor areas like grass or soil, use the provided stakes to secure it firmly in place. The A-frame is available in sizes up to 21 feet. Larger frames can be adjusted to a smaller size, like 7 feet, by removing the extended sections and reconnecting the end connectors. Remember, you'll need a separate fabric banner for the smaller version. Simple to install, durable, and versatile, the horizontal A-frame is the perfect signage solution for any space. Order now.